fit right there. Door scratched up some. I'm gonna do the video, let it warm up before I video the engine, any blow by, so it shows as much smoke as possible. This handle's gonna have to be fixed on the passenger side. I don't know if I can get it to open or not. Yeah, it opens, but it's something wrong with it. Sun's shining in, it's making it kind of tough to This side needs a shock on the door. No rust around the wheel wells or the door. It's in good shape as far as that goes. Tires are real good. In fact, this tire out here looks like it's almost new. £8,400 crane, reaches 20.5 foot. This got a little surface rust on it. I have the crane controller sent off to Auto Crane to get programmed. Whenever I bought the truck, they evidently shipped the wrong remote. There's a hydraulic tank, or that's actually storage tanks for oil. And then it looks like a 40 CFM air compressor, PTO driven air compressor. The welder, I think we've had it looked at and had the small engine guy go through it and make sure it's running. If not, I'll have them do it, but I'm pretty sure it does. Suck the used oil out with this hose kit. In fact, I'll just jump up there and see if the welder's working. I think we had it looked at. It's dented up a little, but seems to run okay. It's only got 65 hours, so I mean it ought to be in good shape. That tarp rolls back and latches to where it keeps it back. These tires here are real good too. Same thing, really no rust around the wheel wells. Whoever took the decals off was an idiot. They scratched stuff up. Small set of drawers here. Works pretty good, but rollers could definitely use a little oil or grease. Really, that right rear box was the only one that really had any rust, and it was just surface rust. Same thing, some scratches here where they scratched it up to get the decals. Yeah, that drawer's pretty stiff. Yeah, the drawers definitely need to be oiled or greased. They're pretty stiff. Just turning the wheel to make it easier to get in here. Sounds really good.